Let's see what Jeff has to say about this.
It could be easy, but it never goes that way. It's never like the movies, it's never like they say. Well, maybe one day I'll be back on my feet, and all of this pain will be gone. And maybe it won't be so hard to be me, and I'll find out just where I belong. It feels like it's taking forever, but one day things will get better, and maybe my time will come, and I'll be the lucky one. Now I can't stop thinking how this life could be. I can keep pretending, but honestly, does it really make a difference? Does it really ever change a thing? It's never like the movies, it's never like you think. Well, maybe one day I'll be back on my feet, and all of this pain will be gone. So hard to be me, and I'll find out just where I belong. It feels like it's taking forever, but one day things can get better, and maybe my time will come, and I'll be the lucky one. So give me keep holding on, something that makes me believe that my life's gonna change. Seems like everyone else gets a shot, gets a break. I can't wait for that to be me. Maybe one day I'll be back on my feet, and all of this pain will be gone. Maybe it won't be so hard to be me, and I'll find out just where I belong. Maybe one day I'll be back on my feet, and all of this pain will be gone. It feels like it's taking forever, but one day things could get better, and maybe my time will come, and I'll be the lucky one. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks for playing that a full step too low. It's a lot easier to sing it. Thank you.
Dude, I had your back. Thank you. I was going to put the capo on your thing, you know?
I was like, wow, this feels like so comfortable right now. This is a musician's thing, but he kind of played it in the wrong key. But you guys didn't know, right? So it don't matter to you.
That's how good we
It
are.
don't matter.
If it don't matter to you, it don't matter to me. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you guys stoked about winter coming around or what?
It's going to be awesome.
It's like, yes, it's already cold and it's halfway through September. Awesome.
Dude, I'm going to go visit you.
Yep.
Yep.
You get to wear really heavy clothes, and then, you know, it's darker earlier, and all these good things about winter.
Yeah, and you can't really do anything outside.
What?
I'm super excited, but...
No, but you got to find someone and cuddle. You know, you
That's
find
true.
someone
Oh,
you
it's the
like,
cuddling thing.
and you cuddle, and you stay warm.
That is true. That's true.
It's a great thing about winter.
Did you find somebody?
Not yet.
Not
Okay.
in Toronto, anyways.
No, not in Toronto.
There you go.
By the way, thank you all for being here. Thanks, Keels Canada, for putting this together. How amazing is this show?
Yes.
I mean,
thank
how
you.
amazing is this?
And look at our skin.
I mean, look at my skin.
Seriously.
No, but seriously, they're a great company. It's great to see a company that's doing so well that chooses to raise money for a good cause and do awesome things with their success. So thank you, Keels Canada. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate you guys all doing the contest. Keep using it. I love the products. It's good. It's good stuff, man.
Thanks for
Good.
winning.
Yeah, thanks for winning. Thanks for watching online.
Yes, online.
Yeah,
Because
thank
for
you.
every person they clicked and watched online, it was $1 given to the foundation. So hopefully by now we've raised $1 million.
Hopefully by now, Keels is going bankrupt.
No.
No. But
That's
thank you
not
all for
true.
watching. Thanks for being here. And we got one more for you guys. It's about bringing summer back because I don't want to go to winter yet. I'm ready to bring summer paradise back. So if you know this song, sing with us.
David, you want to tune your whistle?
And if you don't,
Yes.